Welcome. Want to engage your followers and get their opinions on Instagram? Adding a poll to your story is a fun and interactive way to connect with your audience. Whether you're deciding between two options or just curious about their preferences, polls are a great way to start conversations. Let me walk you through the simple steps to add a poll to your Instagram story. First, open Instagram on your Android device and go to your home screen. Once you're in, tap on your story at the top of the screen. This will open the camera to create your story. Next, select the photo you want to add to your story. You can either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Pick an image that fits the poll question you want to ask. Once your photo is selected, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. This will bring up the sticker options menu where you can choose from various interactive elements. Now, tap on the poll icon from the available stickers. This will insert a poll sticker on your photo with space for you to customize the question and options. Enter your question in the text box, something like, "What do you think?" or "Which option is better?" Then, customize the two options people will vote on. You can enter whatever choices you want, such as yes, no, A, B, or any other two options that fit your question. Once you've added the question and the options, tap Done in the top right corner. Your poll will appear on your photo, and you can adjust its size or move it around on the screen by dragging it. Finally, once you're happy with the poll's placement, tap Your Story at the bottom of the screen to post your story. Now your followers can vote and participate in your poll. And that's it. You've just added a poll to your Instagram story. It's an easy way to get feedback, spark conversations, and have fun with your audience. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.